Welcome to MarineMax Pensacola. Today we're going to do a walkthrough of this 2020 Sea Ray 21 SPX outboard. The hull color is white and this boat is powered by a Mercury 150 4-stroke engine. We have the sea deck option on the swim platform, ski tow bar. As we come through the walkthrough transom, here in the back you'll see plenty of storage. Also, flip up backrest. Here underneath you'll have a cooler, more storage. Also here on the walkthrough, there's your battery access. As we make our way through the boat, you'll have a beach removable cooler here. Plenty of seating on both port and starboard. Coming forward, this is going to have the 2 bucket seat option with flip up thigh rise. Fusion stereo with Bluetooth. Tilt wheel steering. Also has the Simrad GPS built into the dash. Lockable glove box. This does have the LED lighting package too. More storage. Ski locker in the floor. And as we come forward, you'll see wraparound seating in the bow, and this is the new stone interior. That concludes the walkthrough of the 2020 Sea Ray 21 SPX outboard. Come see us at MarineMax Pensacola.